Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oxygen tanks in Astroneer. Oxygen tanks are absolutely crucial for any serious exploration, allowing you to venture far from your base or vehicle without running out of air. Understanding this simple crafting process early on will significantly boost your survival and efficiency as you gather valuable resources across different planets. Let's get started with what you'll need. To craft your basic oxygen tank, you'll primarily need two resources: compound and ceramic. Compound is incredibly easy to find. It's one of the most abundant resources on almost every planet you'll visit. For ceramic, you'll first need to locate clay, which is also quite common. Once you have clay, simply process it through a smelting furnace to transform it into ceramic, preparing it for crafting. With your resources in hand, head over to your small printer. This is the primary tool for crafting many essential early-game items, including the oxygen tank. Simply open the printer's interface, select the oxygen tank recipe, and ensure you have 1 unit of compound and 1 unit of ceramic available. The printer will quickly fabricate your new oxygen tank, ready for immediate use. Once you have a basic tank, you can eventually craft larger versions that hold much more oxygen, allowing for even longer expeditions. Remember to attach your tanks to your backpack or to storage slots on your vehicles to maximize your air supply during exploration. This simple upgrade makes a huge difference for deep cave dives or long surface treks. Also, for those who love to read while exploring new worlds, check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.